In this video, we're going to be talking about how to turn off AI data training on your Instagram account. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Instagram application, head to your profile icon and click on the top right triple lines icon. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for the settings and activity tab. And then you want to simply go ahead and look for privacy center. As you can see, it's right here. Simply go ahead and click on the privacy center. And now what you want to do is simply go ahead and look for the AI at Meta. So it's right over here, as you can see. Now you want to simply go ahead and look for a link that says submit an objection report. So let's just go ahead and search for that. You can also simply go ahead and click on how to change or delete your information from chats with AI from Meta right over here. But the best way to do it is going to be by clicking on how to delete your history from Meta AI right over here. And as you can see, it says right over here how you can simply go ahead and do so. And it is by simply heading into app settings, data and privacy, and managing your information. So let's just go ahead and do so. All you need to do is click on your activity of Meta technology right over here and click on clear previous activity and then simply click on clear. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.